Hello, everybody. It's Diana with stampingwithdie.com. Don't look too close at me. This is a busy weekend. So I've got my big warm shirt on, my leggings, and no jewelry, hardly any makeup. So this is the life, right? All right, but we are ready to draw number two. All right, I want to make sure I can see myself, which I don't really want to see myself today. All right, so let me turn the camera. All right, so we have, there's a ceiling. There's a nice ceiling. All right. So this is my countdown to 900K. And, oh wait. Hang on a minute. Where is it? I don't know where it is. That's all right. I was going to go through the whole spiel. I'm not going to go through the whole spiel. All right, so my countdown to 900K. And this is draw number 2. If you are placing an order in March, this is the code that you will use unless you're in a stamp club. Or unless you are ordering 150 before tax and shipping, don't use my code. Shop in my store, but don't use the code. And then you'll get your own hostess benefits. All right, I mean, look at this shirt. I think this was maybe one of the first tops from our Alaska trip, and it's just huge, so it probably would fit better on Jeff, but I love it and it's warm, and usually people don't see me in it. All right, back to the fun part. All right, so countdown to 900K. Let's see, look at how close. All right, so we have hit the 2,000 sale point, so I'm going to draw for the second one, and we are $50. So that's why I just put like half of it. So we're like $50 towards, the next row. So every time I hit 1,000 in sales, I'll draw a mini, and then I need 7 to get to the 900K. So you want to make sure when you place an order, your name goes in the bucket. If you order 100 before tax and shipping, your name goes in the bucket 2 times. So I have a blog post. Make sure you go to the original blog post where I introduced the giveaway, and it has all the rules and all that stuff. So make sure you go to that. That's where you also need to leave your comment and what state you live in. This is something that I'm doing, not Stampin' Up, and It's only available to those in the United States, because that's the only place I can ship, and then that's the only people that can order from me too, are the United States people. Okay, so let's I'm trying to think. Was there anything else before I draw? I don't think there is. All right, so this will be pretty quick. Doesn't take long. All right, so I got everything in the little bucket. Oh wait, let me turn the camera. Oh, good Lord. Well, I guess I don't need to turn the camera, so then you can read the person's name. All right. Maybe I will turn the camera. I did the other day, so let's just do it the same. Oh, don't stand up, Diana. All right. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty, shake your bucket. All right. All right. Stir them up. And like the other day, I'm like, oh, I only want to pick one. And I'm like, feels like it's just one. All right. All right. Let's see. Who is it? Oh, can you see? Joanne Heiselman. Congratulations. Ta-da! you are the winner of the Cut and Emboss number 2. Let me turn the phone. All right, so let me put it down. So this is what I've been doing with them. And I've been taping them. So I was writing the name on here, and then I'm like, well, I'll just put the little piece of paper. So let me get the tape. So congratulations, Joanne. All right. So I'm going to tape Jackie's. Well, I guess I don't need it. I was afraid somebody would think I had another person's name under there. But, cause see how I wrote Jackie the first time? On the form? All right. So, Joanne, you are number 2. So, congratulations. All right. Let me tape that on there. Okay, so like I said, we are $50 into the next row. So this will go till I have done the full 7K, because that's what I need to get to the 900K. So that being said, if we go into another month, which we probably will, right? Because like I said the other day, like some demonstrators can do this in a day, but that's not me. So this may take several months. So if we go into like April, then the hostess code will change. So that's why I didn't write the hostess code on the chart, because I didn't want to have to make up a new chart and all that stuff. So that's why I always just have, the hostess code on the little thing here, so then I can always just show it each time. All right, so anyways, so that is that's it. That's the second drawing. So again, congratulations, Joanne. And so send me an email. Make sure I have your correct address so I can send to you your mini cut and emboss machine. And then it's the 2 extra plates, remember? So you get the little mini, because it comes with the plates, but I'm also sending an extra set, right? Because you can always use an extra set of the clear. All right, so make sure you holler at me. And again, congratulations. And keep those orders coming in, everybody. And make sure, again, like I said, go to that original blog post so that you can get all the rules and see how you can get entered in without a purchase. I mean, that's not gonna make the bar go up any faster, but hey, could be lucky. So anyways, but again, gotta be in the United States. So when you make it, if you're just gonna get an entry by a comment, you can only have 1 comment though. And I don't mean 1 comment a month. I mean 1 comment through the whole thing. You need to put your name on that blog post, and you need to put your state. Because if you're from, another country, you're not eligible. So that's just the rules. All right. Okay. Have a good weekend, everybody. I'm back to cutting cardstock in my long sleeved shirt with my TV going. So have a good weekend, everyone. And I will see you Monday for my Mimeograph Monday at 11 o'clock on my YouTube channel. And that's live, okay? All right. Bye, everyone. Congratulations again.